You are now watching
Let's get this done. We got Wiz Khalifa right there. You know what I'm saying? Looks pretty high, like always. Alright, let's get to it. So we go to face. Pick this one. And then none. You want to pick that one. And then the skin colors would be that one. And then we go down to the hair. We go to the hairstyle. We'll pick that one. You know what I'm saying? Black. There you go. There you go. Just make sure you copy everything I have on here. So you pick these eyebrows. Those are the ones he looks the closest to, and then you go ahead and copy that. These are the stats right here. Okay, and then we go to eyes. Pick those eyes because he's high all the time. That's Wiz. That's Wiz Khalifa, and then the stats are right here. Color black. Go to nose. It's that nose right there. And then I think I left it as it is. And let's see, go to mouth. It's that one right there. It's always kind of smiling all the time. Position. And then there's no color. Facial hair. I'm gonna pick that one right there. Position. And yeah, that's about it. And then body, you already know he's skinny as fuck all the way, tall. Glasses none. There it is, Wiz Khalifa being John.